Welcome to Melodies TV, Ghana's #1 social platform.
Breaking news eba and it's in Nkola 6 from an accident as sisi amene okase esi ewo Offenso in the Ashanti region. That's the breaking news coming through. Very, very sad. 6 young footballers. One more footballers. Na ensem no afiansa police for kasa ewa asem ne ho. For me personally, I saw it on Twitter from sports journalist Gary Al Smith because it involves Nkola womo football team intino. He broke the news first. Oko my joy online almost breaking news no. Ghana for bebre womo on this particular story. And I'll read the comments so we get more info on it. But info eda yenim tintini ni titia eno ena media to monim no. Nkola 6 Ephraim. Now 6 na Ephraim no, 4 of them they are in a very, very critical condition. What we are hearing and say wamoko ball ebimo can say they went for a football registration. Ebimo so can say wamoko for a football gala. But whichever case it is no, it was a football activity and Nkola ekoye. Omo womo omo ages. In fact, the whole team in Nkola no omo ages from 12 to 15. Until within 12 to 15, omusa, womundi 18 years, omusa. So they were returning from Afrancho. Yes, baby, were referring to Afrancho. Womoko a year Offenso. Send me din country. No call my joy online. Womo reporter say in Kolano womoko a year codes division registration. Now will be our codes division. Biano unim sa registration ya womo yeno. Yes, codes division registration. That's what my joy online is reporting. Other people are also reporting say womo ko ball gala and a womo air returning. Na yesi womo returning no womo do Ofen river in Chen hono and a driver no will lose control. The driver totally lost control. And yes, will be na the car never born the car anymore, whatever. The driver totally lost control and the driver landed in the Ofen river. Nti me name Ofen river ho ba me susu say kwan ho ena wo na driver no do ho I don't know what happened but he lost control and car no or they ko share Ofen river name and that me know can say 6 of these children are dead. 4 are in critical condition. The rest and so the remaining 30 of them no they are responding to medical treatment at the Offenso St. Patrick Hospital. That's the breaking news coming through. Yeah. Omo conditions no. Omo the 4 of them are womo critical condition no. Yeah, transfer womo ako Konfanochi Teaching Hospital. That is how serious it is. That is how serious. Just within the space of 2 weeks, a lot of people have been killed from accidents and that made the Bakon Ewo Volta region Bremo. Our national service personnel be on just last 2 days. Yeah, they just say accident in this is here. As a yajin same. As a CC yajin, you see these accidents near AC Nanseno, most of them it was just with Bakuna AC wa Kaswa Gumwa Highway, Kaswa Takrade or Sedian Highway neso. And then no driver near say wako you overtaken or the share. But all of these accidents will be when they say I said the drivers are just losing control. We won't say we was it Nistia na lucky na they can't go both from Nangrofu ye. When so driver no obi any wa the premium, the driver just lost control just like that. You know they could share river name. I don't know what's going on, but just within 2 weeks ni. I'm say for a very long time now accidents in Sensem Yente. Coronavirus be by name and I don't know say because of coronavirus now accident nisi ni enti but for a very long time ni enti accident in Sensemi. But just within these 2 weeks just within these 2 weeks no as a accident na Kosro we are just hearing and I need now so very, very gory and fatal. Very gory and fatal. I don't know what's happening. But those of you or those of us who can pray, I think the country needs prayers. So that's what is coming through. Ghana for be natural margin. on this particular matter. Let me bring you the thought of some Ghanaians on this matter. Oko Twitter, asem no air trend pa nkrofo air che wo madwen pa enye easy. Obi say, "Oh God, what is all this?" And also ni asema will be aircan. I say, "Oh God, what is all this?" But for now, we don't know the football team. Police for enfant to yenim ye. Team nankasa bebia na wo moko. Police for enfant to yenim. But so far, story no conflicting and two different stories. But I could say in Kolano echo for registration, but I could also say in Kolano call for gala. But what we can derive from all of that, they said they went for a football activity, a football team. Now, I don't know, maybe I'm not but sadly way, sa football team I've been part before. Tema community 2. And Brana Miswano, sa time near about under 10. That I was under 10 years. Now coast team no you were under 10, under 12, and under 14. Into that time under 10, now it was no registration. Into under 12 na yakwa register. We used to do things like this. Mekai those times na your coach no Arsenal na mebo Arsenal. Ewo tema committee 2 obi a wonim tema bia nim Arsenal committee 2. Into your coach no na yetena ka anim ebi a wo be high tro na yatenem na de akwa ahyama na akobobo wa ahyama ewia na abefie ama mekai say one day bi emse ne yemba ema me ma me begina akwan ho a na wo twa mi a. I remember very well those of us who omo an omo committee 2 a omo na me bo Arsenal no me hu ne say asema make ye ne kre one day bi ye call ye eche sa anwumre ne yemba nti me ma me begina akwan ho a begina akwan ho ansa ye ba ya na trese me ne ne kofie. Intino, one more host division that no, we all know that these things are normal. You be high car, mamu na mwako baby akobobo movie na mwaba. It is rather unfortunate, say this had to happen. It is very, very unfortunate. It is very, very, very unfortunate. Say in Kolano, 6 of them are dead. And same way. I don't want to. Okay. So, send me din kan Ghana for baby na eche wo mo adwen on this particular story. Obi say, oh, we pray for strength for their families and the Lord keep their souls. We are there a free NS granted. So I'm just reading comment from Twitter. Me reading comment from Twitter. Say people are talking about or say sad. We lost these young souls to the deadly road carnage. This country needs to address road accidents properly. RIP. And also Nyasama will be aircan. I say sad news. When will this carnage end in Ghana? God have mercy on us. We'll also say, oh, terrible. Speedy recovery to those who are alive. RIP to the dead ones. I say terrible news. I say God have mercy. I say come on. I think that apparently there is a video of Nkolano accident this year or move you know. There is a video, you know. Some people are actually sharing the video, but when you say media, I can't play that video here. Some people are actually sharing that video, and Nkrofo air can say, now once you know your time and Kole will say, just say, Ghana dear. Once you know your time and Kole will say, oh dear, also be and say, we'll be share video. One the trails are there no. That's what some people are saying. I say, where y'all? Hey, yeah. Because in Kolano senior possibly if it's we don't know whether it is an academy or not. There are two ways. If it is an academy, that means in Kolano their parents know say Womote Academy because how the no being how the academy system works they say in Kolano Womonti Womo parents or academy for mostly academy for also a Yankola Ebia Womawu our more talents and Ankola or more parents to me show our more time. I'm not saying say all of them. Some of them is so more parents to me show more bats. Born talents no wo Emma one person more boy until more parents are hand you over to the academy. So what happens they say the academy takes care of Akolani baby our better Ebiania will be and they go to school as well. Our academy hona into a more school academy now set up school. Kolani pon school are normal training. And so if it is an academy, that means in Kolano, they are even not living with their parents. Into say academia, it means they are even not living with their parents. But if it is not an academy and it is just a normal team, like team I name it Chelsea and Brother Mr. Mebo Arsenal, I will come to 2 no. If it's just that team, and no what happens next time call any free because any times as an ye ye free ne ya coach no ne fie na coach no de kan na ba ne ya tenem ne yakọ nti two ways ni so we are still waiting to gather more info on this particular story but the eba no mo try mo comment box no mo let us see.